Baby, these cats are partying.
It's Animal Cafe.
Oh, yeah, no, we're going in. So,
Okay.
absolutely.
Oh. Are they open? Well, 11. What time is it?
I don't know. I can't see my watch. 11:24.
Okay, so they're open. Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Uplink secured.
Welcome to the Anderson Expedition.
So it smells like the house of a great concept.
I don't think that's a pet store.
Is it?
Yeah.
It said Plus Cafe.
Fourth floor.
Cat Cafe. Third floor Animal Cafe. So I guess that was the pet shop.
Oh, but it smells.
It still smells.
Yes. Oh, traditional.
Second floor.
Animal Cafe, Cat Cafe.
Yeah, I'd rather go to the Animal Cafe.
Okay.
I don't want to eat with the kitty cats.
Oh, yeah, that smell almost from here. I knew I wouldn't be able to eat it.
Oh, it smells better in here. Two, three. Okay.
Pick it up. Well, wow, you have to change shoes.
That's fine.
Admission is charged. Where to get the ticket?
For admission, please ring the doorbell and wait if no staff is
If-
available.
Please ask the staff member on first floor.
So we have to go back to the place, and then we can come play with the animals. It doesn't smell bad up here at all.
I don't know, it kind of looks kind of...
There's rabbits. We can eat with a rabbit.
I don't want to eat here.
I'd rather eat with a rabbit than a cat. Let's play with the rabbits.
I'm good with that.
We'll just go.
And did you notice usually we see that shit?
Go.
Nobody see anything.
Go.